So I'm doing the sewer cam, and this is a one single cleanout, ABS cleanout on the front of the house, and it goes down and out to the street. So there's got to be another cleanout. It's a bullhead cleanout. Look at what they did. They buried it underneath all of the landscaping rock, soil, landscaping fabric. See, that's the cap right there. Got to get to that. Well, at least we found it. When you have a clean out this low, it's so easy for these rocks to go into that cap when you take the cap off. So we really want to raise that up so it sticks up above the gravel. That way you can see it and you're not going to lose it underneath this fabric. Alright, we found the second clean out right in front of the other clean out underneath the ground and fabric that they put in the landscape here. Definitely a good idea to raise this clean out up a few inches so the ground or the gravel can't go into the hole. Oh wow. That's why you get rocks stuck in the